How to fix if keeps vibrating on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it do not let us update your software, let us. After update software, let us go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart device from here. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if keeps vibrating on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.